Meat with vegetables for bone health? Are you eating meat for stronger bones? You might be missing half the story. Hi, I'm Dr. Ian, and today we're re-diving into a powerful yet overlooked truth: why pairing meat with the right vegetables could be your secret weapon for lifelong bone health. This isn't just about calcium or protein, it's about balance. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build bone-protective meals using everyday ingredients already in your kitchen. Chapter 1. Why bone health is more than just calcium. When we talk about bones, the first things that come to mind are usually calcium, and milk may be meat for protein. And yes, protein is crucial. It forms the framework of our bones. But here's the twist: high-protein diets that lack enough alkaline minerals like those found in vegetables can actually stress your bones. When your diet is too acidic, your body may pull calcium out of your bones just to keep your blood's patch in check. That means if you're eating lots of meat and not enough vegetables, you could be unknowingly weakening your skeleton. Chapter 2. Meet Alex, the everyday eater. Let's make this real. Meet Alex, a 35-year-old fitness enthusiast. Eats chicken breast every day, hits the gym 5 times a week. But his diet? Very little veggies. Fast forward a few years, routine checkup shows lower than expected bone density for his age. Surprised? So was he. After working with a dietitian, he added kale, sweet potatoes, and lentils into his meals, cut down on processed meats, and in just 6 months, his bone markers improved significantly. What vegetables do for your bones? Let's break it down. Here's what vegetables offer that meat alone cannot. 1. Vitamin K, essential for bone mineralization. 2. Vitamin C, needed for collagen formation, your bone's connective tissue. 3. Magnesium and potassium, helps your body use calcium efficiently and balance acidity. 4. Phytochemicals and antioxidants, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both linked to bone breakdown. These nutrients don't just support bones, they actively protect them. Chapter 4. The perfect bone-healthy plate. So how do we build a plate that strengthens your bones from both sides, animal and plant? Here's a simple formula: 1/4 plate lean protein, 1/2 plate colorful vegetables, 1/4 plate whole grains or legumes. Bonus: add a source of calcium-fortified plant milk, yogurt, or sardines with bones. Protein gives you the structure, vegetables give you the minerals. Together, they make the magic happen. Chapter 5. Meat plus veggie combo that works. Meat and vegetables aren't just healthy, they're powerful together. Think of your meals like building blocks for your future self. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, comment below. What's one veggie you'll add to your plate today for bone health? Let's grow stronger together, one meal at a time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.